The world's most expensive car. Rolls Royce Rose Noire Droptail is the world's most expensive car, priced at $30 million, equivalent to 249 Crore approximately. There will be only 4 of Rose Noire Droptail in the world. The car inspired by the romance and the allure of the velvet-like Black Baccara rose originating from France. The car features a champagne chest and cooler to carry the client's precious vintage and flutes. It is created for ultra-rich customer only. A specially commissioned removable Audemars Piguet luxury watch doubles as both a dashboard clock and wristwatch. The 43mm Royal Oak Concept split-seconds chronograph GMT large date is powered by a unique self-winding caliber 4407.